Hi everybody, welcome back. It's Colin here. I'm starting a new series now of starting a new series of videos now based on Scratch, starting from the very beginning. And I'm using something new that Code Club has introduced, and that's called Code Club World. So without any further ado, let's get cracking. So I'm going to go to Code Club World. And I'm going to sign out because I have an account here already. I'm just going to get rid of that top yellow bar. And I'm going to get started. So when you first log into Code Club World, you're presented with this screen here. When you press the run button, nothing seems to happen. But what I found out is you go to the left-hand side under looks, you can tinker with the color of different things, and you can set the style of different things. There's only half a dozen things you can change the color of. So if you want to change his color of his body to, let's go for that color there. Join that on the block. Clicking over here doesn't make it run, but clicking on the run button here does make it run. So that's his body change color. If I right click and duplicate, I can pick another thing to change. Let's give him a different colored head. Press the run button again. And you can change anything you like on there. Although notice there was an option to change everything. So if you want to change everything to one color, then you can do that. I'm going to leave mine a little bit funky. I'm going to duplicate this block a couple of times because there's a couple of three things to show you here. So change his headgear. You've either got this like looks like a keyhole, but I guess it's a piece of hair sticking up. But you've got three different styles of headgear you can do. So I want to give him a bowler hat. Press run. There he is with a bowler hat. If I want to change his gloves or his body, let's not look at his body. So I want to give him a round body. Put that on there. Run. And then if I want to change his shoes, I think I saw some shoes with laces on there earlier on. Put that there. Click run. And now that's the avatar that I'm going to create for my library service Code Club projects. So I'm going to sign in. I'm just going to show you how to create an account. There's a notice down here about cookies. Cookies allow the program to give you a good experience, so I'm going to accept those in this instance. I'm going to show you how to create an account on here. Creating an account helps you go back to the things you've done before. If I'm under 13, we like to have a parent's email address. You can pick a username that you're going to use. Then you can pick your age and your birthday. And why do we need this? So this is all about making sure that when you turn 13, you can have your own account and what did it say? And give you more activities. And then there's a box to put your password in. And then there's a tick box to say you're going to follow the community guidelines, which is really all about being nice online and not being horrible. But I'm going to go back a page to where I came in because I am over 13. I'm going to put my name in here. Just going to put Colin. What should you call me? Well, you can still call me Colin. My email address I'm going to use here. I'm going to blank out when it gets out to live. Plus Club World 2 at Gmail. You need to think of a password you can use. If you try to do something obvious, it won't let you. So one of the things I try and do is I try and to have a little a saying I can remember. So something like, I'll show you what I'm doing here. So for this instance, I'm going to use Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall on the wall, the W. Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall. How many characters is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I need at least 8 characters. And I'm just going to put 99 on the end of it to make it up to the 8 characters they want. In this box of country, just press the U key 4 times. You come down to United Kingdom. Postcode, you don't need to put postcode in. I agree to the terms and conditions. And I'm not a robot. And then I'm going to sign up. Okay. So they're going to send me a link with a code number to put in here. So I'm going to go round over to my email account, 408414. So let's go back to my pro 408414 and verify. Okay, get rid of that box at the top. Press run. So this is going to be my avatar for the entire program. Press next. I've finished it. Because I've done that, I earned some badges. So that's another thing you can do with Code Club World, is you earn badges. And this is the format. So basically, I've landed on to the home island. Start here. So the idea of Code Club World is to get you used to some of the different things you can do on a computer first of all. And then once you've done the computer, then you go on to do level 1 Scratch projects. And by the time we get there, hopefully there'll be some level 2 Scratch projects. But if not, we'll have a look at some the level 2 Python. And then this button here actually takes you to the Raspberry Pi projects page. So this is that page we used in the last projects. I'm just going to go back one more. So going to go to home and start on Code Club World on the home island. So there's my little avatar, and the idea of the avatar here is I'm going to go and visit different parts of the screen and in different parts of the island, and as I'm visiting those different parts, I'm going to learn something else. Right, let's have a go at doing one of these projects and see how we get on. So this one's called Design a T-shirt. Use the code to control a pen to create a beautiful T-shirt for your avatar. Press start. We're going to go for a new T-shirt design. What we've got some basic instructions, pen styles. We've got some pen colors and pen styles. Not sure what that does. Okay, so we can have a run. Okay, so there's some predefined things that we can stamp onto our T-shirt. And look, this is his body, and the T-shirt is on my avatar. So you can see I've got a butterfly on my chest on my avatar. And what else have we got? Oh, we can do some motion. We can do some repeat loops. And we've got some randomness going on. Next, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to have a look at their Get Inspired. So there's a Get Inspired button up here. And this is taking you to some T-shirts that other people have made. So this lady, Anna's built I'll zoom out. Oh, she's done a lot, hasn't she? So okay, so on what Anna's done here is she's left all the messing around stuff she did in here. So the only bit of code, if I press run on here, for example, it's creating her sunflower picture. And you can see on the picture here how the code is, which bit of code is running. And done the stalk. And now we're just doing the shadow. And it's still moving. It's still running. Okay, so that's what Anna has done. Anna has done a program that looks like she's got lots of blocks of code on there. And the way I'm zooming in and out on that is just rolling the mouse to the mouse wheel. So that was one idea. Let's have a look at another idea. Jack has done a row of mountains. Okay, so what Jack is doing, let's have a look at run Jack's. So Jack's making a zigzag across the chest of our robot. He set the pen size to a number, he set the color, he's stopped drawing, and he's gone to around a position -240, which is on the left hand edge here. Start drawing, which means put the pen down, turn left by 45 degrees, and then move 48 steps, turn right, move 48 steps, turn left. So this is how he's getting his zigzag thing on screen there. Okay, so really it's up to you to make your own project, and if you want to see what other avatars other people have made, there are some of those there as well. How do I get back to my island? Not really sure. Continue my journey. Oh, there we go. So this is the t-shirt option here. So at the moment I got a t-shirt with a butterfly on. Let's go and have a look at that. And let's just see what we can do. Have I got any idea of what I'm going to make? I haven't really. I'm just going to try and use a different thing and see what else is around. So we've got a solid line, a dash line. What's a spray paint? Maybe we need to do some movement. Oh, set the pen style and then set the pen color. Does that make us do anything? And we probably need to move 50 steps. Let's just try that. So I think I should get a spray paint. Oh, my arrow move. Have I paint? Oh, I have painted just roughly. Have I? Not sure what I'm doing. Let's put a loop around that. And run. Yeah, so I'm making a smudge mark along my t-shirt. So perhaps that's not the best thing to try. Can I try that? Let's press run. Oh, that's quite nice. So that was using a pen style of hearts, and I did 4 lots of 50 steps. That's given me a little thing on screen. What else have we got? Snowflakes, a different color, not very visible. Oh look, we've got to set the background color. So I go to the top there and set the background color to, let's go for that, and then press run. So there I've created some stuff that I can't really see on my avatar's t-shirt. So just experimentation really. I go change the pen size to 5, and I'll change the pen style to solid line and press run. Okay, so I'm just trying to see what else I can do here. So I just got a line across his chest, and let's do a right turn 90, and I think I'm going to duplicate that block of code there. So that should make it turn right and do a line down there. And if I do that another 2 times, let's just try run. Okay, and I think I will just do one more. Okay, that's one thing I can do. The other thing I just wanted to show you was there's an operator about picking a random. So if I stick that random in there, so I've used so this is going to create a random size for a butterfly, and I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to make the butterfly, I'm going to go to a random position on my t-shirt and print a random size butterfly. That's what I'm going to do. So now I'm going to go to a random position. What I need to do, I think, is to do the pen up. So stop drawing, then go to a random position, put the pen down, stamp a butterfly of of a random size, and then I think I'm going to do 10 of those. I've no idea what this is going to look like, but if I put that in there, let's see what happens there, shall we? Get the original square, and then I've drawn some random butterflies. Let's go for a random. Can we try and do a random color? Can't see a random color, but I think if I change the color by a random number and stick that in my loop somewhere, and then press run. Okay, I'm going to try and share it. So hopefully by the time you get to see this, you're going to Colin's butterflies. Oh, look at that rubbish. Colin's butterflies. Okay, so you can see on the home page now that I'm wearing my my butterfly t-shirt. Okay, in the next program we'll have a look at looking at one of these other options that are on here. Right, well, I hope you've enjoyed that. So hopefully you've made an avatar and you've made yourself a t-shirt. In the next video I'll show you how to do, there's one there about making some music, and we'll see how that goes. All right, see you in the next video. Bye-bye.